Are you over 50 and find yourself battling stiff, aching joints every morning? Do you feel like you're losing muscle strength no matter what you do? Well, what if I told you that a simple, delicious food you can find in any grocery store could be the key to turning things around? I'm talking about yogurt. But hold on, it's not just any yogurt. There are 4 specific types that are power-packed with the nutrients you need to fight arthritis pain and rebuild your muscles naturally. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which yogurts to add to your shopping list to start feeling stronger and more mobile. Let's first understand why yogurt is such a game changer, especially for those of us over 50. As we age, our bodies face a few challenges. We're more prone to inflammation, which is a major driver of arthritis pain. Our bones can lose density, making them more fragile. And we start to lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia, which can make everyday activities feel like a workout. This is where the right kind of yogurt steps in as a nutritional superhero. First, it's an incredible source of calcium and vitamin D, the dynamic duo for bone health. Stronger bones mean better support for your joints. Second, and this is crucial, it's packed with probiotics. These are the friendly bacteria that live in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is scientifically linked to lower levels of inflammation throughout your body. So, by eating probiotic-rich yogurt, you're essentially calming down the inflammation that causes joint pain from the inside out. And we can't forget about protein. After 50, our bodies need more high-quality protein to maintain and rebuild muscle tissue. Yogurt is an excellent, easily digestible source of protein, which is essential for staying strong, active, and independent. It helps repair your muscles, especially after a walk or some light exercise, and keeps your metabolism humming. So, now that we know why yogurt is so beneficial, let's get to the good stuff. What are the 4 absolute best yogurts you should be eating? First on our list is plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. This one is a classic for a reason. It's strained more than regular yogurt, which makes it thicker, creamier, and significantly higher in protein. A typical serving can have double the protein of regular yogurt. This protein is vital for repairing muscles and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. It's also rich in calcium and probiotics, hitting all the key points for bone and joint health. When you're at the store, make sure you grab the plain, unsweetened kind. Whether you choose low-fat or full-fat can depend on your personal dietary needs and calorie goals. Coming in at number 2 is Icelandic yogurt, also known as skyr. If you think Greek yogurt is thick and protein-rich, wait until you try skyr. It's even thicker and boasts an even higher protein content. This makes it an absolute powerhouse for rebuilding muscle and boosting your metabolism. Skyr is also naturally low in sugar and is often easier for people with lactose sensitivity to digest. Its creamy texture feels incredibly indulgent, but it's working hard to strengthen your body. Think of it as the heavyweight champion of the yogurt world. Our third must-eat yogurt is any yogurt specifically labeled as probiotic or containing live and active cultures. While most yogurts have some probiotics, these are specially formulated to contain high concentrations of beneficial bacteria strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These are the microscopic heroes that go to work in your gut, reducing inflammation that can travel to your joints and worsen arthritis symptoms. A healthy gut doesn't just help with pain, it also strengthens your immune system and improves overall digestion, meaning you absorb more nutrients from all the food you eat. So, check the label for phrases like live and active cultures to ensure you are getting that anti-inflammatory benefit. And finally, our 4th powerhouse yogurt is fortified yogurt with vitamin D and omega-3s. Some brands go the extra mile by fortifying their yogurt with these two incredible nutrients. Vitamin D is essential for your body to absorb calcium, making it non-negotiable for bone strength. Without enough vitamin D, the calcium you consume can't do its job properly. Omega-3 fatty acids, often found in fish oil, are famous for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. They act like a natural lubricant for your joints, helping to reduce stiffness and pain. Finding a yogurt that combines these nutrients is like getting a triple-action formula for joint health in every spoonful. Now, just as important as knowing what to eat is knowing what to avoid. Please stay away from the brightly colored, flavored yogurts you see lining the shelves. These are often loaded with added sugars, which are a major cause of inflammation in the body. Eating sugary yogurt will completely counteract the anti-inflammatory benefits you're trying to achieve. Also, be wary of yogurts with artificial sweeteners, as some studies suggest they can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut health. And finally, skip the high-fat, low-protein dessert-style yogurts. They offer very little nutritional benefit for your muscles and joints. Always read the nutrition label. So, when is the best time to enjoy these amazing yogurts? The morning is a fantastic time. Pair it with some berries and whole grain oats for a breakfast that provides sustained energy and a host of nutrients. It also makes a perfect post-exercise or afternoon snack. The protein will go straight to work, helping your muscles recover and rebuild. I would generally advise against eating a large portion right before bed, as it might be a bit heavy on your digestion while you're trying to sleep. And here is a pro tip to take your yogurt to the next level. Add a spoonful of chia seeds, flax seeds, or a sprinkle of turmeric. Chia and flax seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3s, and turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Berries are another fantastic addition, as they are loaded with antioxidants that also help fight inflammation. For the best results, pair this dietary habit with regular, gentle strength exercises to improve your joint mobility and build muscle tone. Remember, pain does not have to be a normal part of aging. It's a signal from your body that something is out of balance. By making a simple, conscious choice in the dairy aisle, you can actively fight back. With the right kind of yogurt, you can ease your arthritis, strengthen your body, and start feeling younger, more vibrant, and more energetic. One delicious spoonful at a time. Take control of your health today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on living your best. Healthiest life after 50. We'll see you in the next video.